Stocks in 2025. What's next for the markets? The stock market has always been unpredictable, but 2025 is shaping up to be a year of transformation. With tech giants racing to innovate, crypto integration growing, and new regulations on the horizon. How will these trends impact your portfolio? We're talking serious money here, folks, the kind that can make or break your retirement dreams. Listen up, because tonight, we're diving into the key stock market trends of 2025, the industries to watch, and the pressing question, what's the next big thing? We're going to break it down, separate the winners from the losers, and make sure you're positioned for maximum profitability. So buckle up, get ready for a wild ride, and let's make some money. According to the New York Times, tech stocks like Apple and Tesla are set to soar with groundbreaking innovations. Renewable energy companies think Tesla and NextEra Energy will ride the green wave, as reported by the Wall Street Journal. But beware, traditional oil stocks and outdated retail giants might struggle to keep up, warns Business Insider. The future is here, and it's time to invest wisely. After a turbulent 2024 marked by rising interest rates and tech sector volatility, 2025 has begun with cautious optimism. The S&P 500 has shown modest growth, but is this the calm before the storm? We saw a similar pattern back in 07, folks, and we all know how that turned out. Don't get complacent. Inflation remains a top concern, affecting consumer spending and corporate profits. It's a silent killer, eating away at your returns like a termite in a woodpile, warns the Wall Street Journal. How will this shape market performance in the months ahead? We need to be smart, we need to be strategic, and we need to be ready to move fast. According to Business Insider, renewable energy stocks are poised to do well, driven by global sustainability efforts. On the other hand, tech stocks, especially social media and e-commerce, may struggle due to regulatory pressures and market saturation, reports the New York Times. Healthcare stocks are expected to remain stable, benefiting from ongoing medical advancements and an aging population, notes the Wall Street Journal. So, stay vigilant, make informed decisions, and navigate the market with confidence. Companies like Apple, Google, and Tesla continue to dominate the market, but are their valuations sustainable? Let's dive in. Apple's trading at a bazillion times earnings, and while their innovation is top-notch, the stock might be overvalued. According to the Wall Street Journal, analysts are cautious about its future. Be cautious. Google's got its fingers in every pie imaginable, and their diversification is their strength. Business Insider reports steady growth here. Expect steady growth here. And Tesla. Don't even get me started on Tesla. High risk, high reward. The New York Times warns of potential volatility. Buckle up. With AI breakthroughs and quantum computing on the rise, tech stocks remain the center of attention, but they're not without risk. Watch out for volatility. Business Insider highlights the potential for both massive gains and losses. AI startups are going public at a record pace, and while some will soar, others will crash and burn. The Wall Street Journal advises investors to choose wisely. Investors are betting big on the future of automation, robotics, and data-driven innovation. This sector is a goldmine, but tread carefully. According to the New York Times, the potential is enormous, but so are the risks. It's the Wild West out there, folks, with fortunes being made and lost overnight. Are you ready for the ride? The Wall Street Journal calls it a roller coaster market. But remember, not all that glitters is gold. Stay sharp and don't get blinded by the shine. As Business Insider puts it, caution is the name of the game. As global governments push for carbon neutrality, stocks in solar, wind, and hydrogen energy are gaining momentum. Everyone wants a piece of that clean energy pie, and companies like NextEra Energy and Plug Power are capturing investor interest. But remember, this isn't a charity, folks. We're here to make money. So, which stocks will soar and which will sink? According to the New York Times, NextEra Energy and Plug Power are poised to do well because of their strong market positions and innovative technologies. But beware of smaller, unproven companies. They might just be another bubble waiting to burst. Remember what happened with the dot-com boom? Don't get caught holding the bag. We need to be smart, we need to do our homework, and we need to be ready to sell when the time is right. Chapter 4: Cryptocurrency, From Fringe to Finance. The integration of blockchain technology into traditional finance is dramatically reshaping the stock market. Major institutions like JP Morgan are diving into blockchain. According to the New York Times, tech stocks like Apple and Tesla are expected to soar due to their innovative approaches. Meanwhile, traditional retail stocks may struggle, as reported by the Wall Street Journal. Business Insider highlights that companies embracing digital currencies will thrive. Chapter 5. Healthcare and Biotech, the Future of Medicine. The biotech sector is seeing rapid innovation, from personalized medicine to mRNA technology. According to the New York Times, these advancements are game changers. Companies like Moderna and Biotech continue to innovate, and the Wall Street Journal predicts their stocks will soar due to their cutting-edge mRNA technology. But smaller players are entering the field too. Business Insider warns that while these startups are innovative, they carry significant risk. It's a race to the finish line, folks, and the winner takes it all. Could a breakthrough in genetic editing or cancer treatment redefine this industry and your investments? Absolutely. The Wall Street Journal highlights the potential of CRISPR technology to revolutionize healthcare. We're talking life-changing, market-moving breakthroughs here, folks. Stocks like Moderna and BioNTech are poised to soar thanks to their cutting-edge mRNA technology. But remember, not all that glitters is gold. Smaller biotech firms, while innovative, carry significant risk. Companies without proven track records may struggle, as noted by Business Insider. Do your research, diversify your portfolio, and heed the advice of financial experts from sources like the New York Times and Wall Street Journal. And don't be afraid to take profits. The future of medicine is bright, but tread carefully. Chapter 6. Emerging Markets, the Next Big Thing. Emerging markets like India and Brazil are showing incredible resilience in the face of global economic challenges. With their booming tech industries and expanding middle classes, are these the next big investment hubs? Absolutely. We're talking billions of potential customers here, folks. But remember, investing in emerging markets is not for the faint of heart. It's volatile, it's unpredictable, and it's not for everyone. So which stocks will soar and which will sink? According to the New York Times, tech giants like Infosys and Tata Consultancy Services are poised for massive growth due to their innovation and market reach. On the other hand, the Wall Street Journal reports that traditional manufacturing stocks may struggle due to global supply chain issues. But for those willing to take the risk, Business Insider suggests the rewards can be substantial. Chapter 7. Risks and Warnings. Don't get caught off guard with urgency. Geopolitical tensions, potential recessions, and rising debt levels could shake the markets, according to sources like the New York Times and the Wall Street Journal. With concern, we're living in uncertain times, folks, and the unexpected can happen at any moment, dramatically. How prepared are you for unexpected downturns? Are you ready for the storm? Emphatically. Experts stress the importance of a balanced portfolio to weather volatility. But which stocks will shine and which will falter? Excitedly. Tech giants like Apple and Microsoft, renewable energy leaders like Tesla, and healthcare innovators are poised to thrive. Business Insider reports these sectors are set for significant growth. With concern. On the other hand, traditional retail, fossil fuel companies, and small businesses might face tough times ahead. The Wall Street Journal highlights the challenges these sectors are encountering. Urgently, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify, 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 confidently. That's the key to surviving and thriving in any market conditions. Chapter 8. The Future of Stock Trading. Adapt or die. With the rise of AI-driven trading tools and platforms like Robinhood making investing more accessible, how will technology continue to shape the way we trade stocks? The game is changing, folks, and those who don't adapt will be left behind. So which stocks will thrive and which will falter? According to the New York Times, tech giants like Apple, Amazon, and Tesla are poised to soar, driven by relentless innovation and market dominance. On the other hand, traditional retail and energy stocks may struggle as they grapple with technological disruption and shifting consumer preferences. The Wall Street Journal highlights how companies like Macy's and ExxonMobil face significant challenges. But one thing's for sure, the future of stock trading is here, and it's more thrilling than ever. Business Insider reports that the pace of innovation is only accelerating. Embrace the change, or risk being left in the dust. Chapter 10. The time to act is now. Which industries will outperform in 2025? High-tech, renewable energy, and biotech are set to soar. According to the Wall Street Journal, these sectors are driven by relentless innovation and increasing demand. Are you ready to adapt to the rapidly changing market, or will you miss the next big opportunity? The New York Times reports that those who embrace these changes will reap significant rewards. The choice is yours, folks. Will you seize the moment or let it slip away? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of investing. Business Insider emphasizes the importance of staying informed and connected. We're in this together, folks, and I'm here to help you navigate the treacherous waters of the stock market and come out on top. Trust in the data, trust in the trends. Solar energy and electric vehicles will shine bright, driven by innovation and sustainability. The Wall Street Journal highlights their potential for exponential growth. But beware, traditional energy and manufacturing sectors may struggle as the world shifts to greener alternatives. The New York Times warns of declining demand and increasing regulations. Invest wisely and the future could be yours. Remember, knowledge is power, and the right choices today will shape your tomorrow. We've covered a lot of ground tonight, folks, from the soaring heights of tech stocks like Apple and Tesla, which will continue to thrive due to their relentless innovation and market dominance, as reported by the Wall Street Journal, to the potential pitfalls of emerging markets, where political instability and economic volatility can spell trouble for investors, according to Business Insider. Remember, the market is a wild beast. And sectors like traditional retail and fossil fuels are likely to struggle as consumer habits shift and environmental regulations tighten, as highlighted by the New York Times. But with the right knowledge and a little bit of guts, you can tame it and make it work for you. Look to sectors like renewable energy and biotechnology, which are poised for explosive growth due to technological advancements and increasing demand, as noted by the Wall Street Journal. Don't be afraid to take risks. But don't be reckless either. Do your homework, trust your instincts, and never, ever invest more than you can afford to lose. This is the stock market, folks, not a casino. And most importantly, stay informed. Keep watching Mad Money, keep reading, keep learning, and stay one step ahead of the game. Because in this market, the only constant is change, and the only way to win is to be